Attention construction professionals. Your safety is our priority. At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we're committed to helping you make informed decisions about construction equipment equipped with the latest safety features. Discover how modern technology is transforming safety on construction sites. Here are the top safety features to look for in modern construction equipment. Number 1. 360-degree cameras. Gain complete visibility with 360-degree cameras, eliminating blind spots and providing real-time views of your surroundings. Enhance operator awareness and minimize the risk of accidents. Number 2. Proximity sensors. Advanced proximity sensors alert operators to potential collisions with objects, workers, or other equipment. These safety systems provide early warnings, enabling swift and preventive actions. Number 3. Rollover Protection System, ROPS. ROPS ensures operator safety by providing a reinforced cabin structure to protect against rollover accidents. Choose equipment equipped with ROPS for enhanced operator protection. Number 4. Emergency Stop Systems. Modern equipment is equipped with emergency stop systems that allow operators to halt machinery instantly in case of emergencies, reducing response time and ensuring swift action. Number 5. Operator Access Control. Limit access to equipment with operator access control systems. Only authorized personnel can operate the machinery, preventing unauthorized usage and enhancing site security. Number 6. Load Management Technology. Prevent overloading and maintain stability with load management technology. These systems ensure that equipment operates within safe load limits, reducing the risk of tipping or structural failure. At InterstateHeavyEquipment.com, we provide a wide range of construction equipment equipped with top safety features. To prioritize safety and discuss your specific equipment needs, contact us at 469-370-7501.